If you're new to my channel and you haven't checked out my other videos, please do. Also, if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, please go ahead and do that so you don't miss it when I post another video. Hey everyone. In this video, I want to talk about these little attachments that you can get at the pool store here. And these are basically like little fountains attachments, and they are for the returns. But I wanted to point out something that a lot of people make a mistake when they hook these up. Like, this is a small pool here, and this is a really small pool, and so this one's set up right. What they have is they have the opening down here. You can see there is a return opening right down there. And it's cracked open, and you can see there is some pressure that's going to help circulate the pool. You want to make sure that the pool is circulating either in a clockwise or counterclockwise. Just really depends on the setup of the pool. And these are so common, and what people will do is they'll hook them up and they'll shut that, and they may have a bigger pool, and what will happen is that they will shut that off, and then there's no circulation from this return. So this return down here that's being used for the fountain is there for a purpose, and that's for circulation. You know, you want the pool to circulate. And so just wanted to give you that tip. If you do pick one of these up, just make sure that you're going to see some type of movement of water, and if not, just crack it open, and that will help out solve problems that you may run into.